Your students have completed the activity, but you want to make sure that they understand the key concepts. Digital storytelling can be a powerful way to do this. As old as time, using pictures to tell a story can really communicate your understanding of a topic. What's really crucial is that students collect media along the way so that they're able to tell the story. You could use a movie processing tool such as iMovie or Movie Maker in order to just narrate the pictures that are going by, as you can see. But we can also use Web 2.0 tools and tools for mobile devices in order to make the story come alive. This movie is going to take you through some of those processes that you can go through. Let's take, for example, Web 2.0 tools. One example, as you can see here, allows students to create and publish their own book. They can insert images and they can put text and other stickers and those types of things onto their book. Story Jumper is another example where students can use the power of the Web 2.0 tool to create their own book. Now let's take a look at a different tool. This one is StoryKit, which is available on the iOS platform. StoryKit runs natively on an iPhone or iTouch, but you can use it on an iPad as well. I like this type of app where I can input a number of different types of media. I can type, I can draw, I can add audio, and I can add pictures from my library as you see here. This demonstrates the importance of capturing those images during the process that the students were going through. It's also powerful to have students create their own user-created content in which they are the ones who are designing things. Instead of going out on the internet and trying to find a picture, we want them to describe the situation. Remember, the goal of this is for students to be able to communicate their understanding of a topic and explain it to others. The use of drawing tools such as this and the photos that they took puts the power in the students' hands to tell their story of what's happening from the lab. Another tool you could use would be EduCreations. And in fact, it's not really important which tool you use, but really what you have students doing. So in EduCreations, students can record their audio as they're doing things. So what you see happening, I'm importing some pictures. I can resize them and I can put them into order. You could use it as a sequencing tool. But you could also do a number of different things that would change the way the activity goes. So for example, have them write the lab and talk about it from the electrons' point of view or from the tape's point of view. Those are different ways to get students to communicate their understanding of the process and those 5 items that are at the bottom of the lab without having them just restate what's happening. These same tools that are available here create a very powerful way for students to communicate their understanding of a topic. I hope you enjoy the digital storytelling piece.